Are you looking to spice up your daily life with some incredible gadgets? Today, we have a Bluetooth speaker that can play music wherever you are, even underwater. There's also a personal alarm that may save your life in the event of an emergency. All this and more. The future is now. Nixie Tube Zen 70. Nixie tubes are some of the most amazing inventions ever made. However, they are super rare and expensive. Though you can now have one of your very own Nixie tube clocks that you can sit on your desk or shelf, giving you one of the most unique clocks you'll ever see. The Zen 70 is an all-new Nixie tube clock made out of original retro parts and an all-wood base to give it a bit of modern flair. It uses Z568M Nixie tubes with a bulb diameter of 58mm, a height of 150mm, and a 70mm filament. Each clock and tube is handcrafted using highly advanced laboratory technology with high-end PCBs that will last a lifetime. The clock is able to set alarms, allowing you to play through various chimes, as well as chimes that mark the start of each day or hour. You can adjust how long you want the chimes to play and the volume. MUZEN Wild Mini. If you love to spend time outdoors or on the move, then you've likely got several products that you can use to make your outdoor living a little bit easier. But what products do you have that'll keep you entertained while you're taking a break in the great outdoors or relaxing for the evening? The MUZEN Wild Mini is a remarkably well-designed outdoor speaker that can blast all of your favorite tunes with the push of a button. This tiny yet powerful speaker pairs wirelessly to your smartphone, giving you crystal clear audio quality without the hassle of carrying around large speaker setups. There's even a built-in LED light to assist in nighttime use or while hanging out in your tent in the evening. The all-metal construction means this speaker is built to last a lifetime, with several high-quality gaskets to provide superior waterproofing capabilities. MEZMOGLOBE. Fidget toys may have been all the rage a few years ago, but what about toys that can sit on your desk, giving your guests countless hours of entertainment? The MEZMOGLOBE is a brand new toy that is custom machined to rotate in one place after spinning it. Just flick it with your finger and it'll begin spinning for a seemingly endless amount of time. This is a captivating device that'll help you focus while taking phone calls, or just keep your hands busy when you're in an important business meeting. More than 30,000 of these toys have been shipped worldwide, and they aim to be one of the most captivating new desktop additions in 2021. Magnetic Cell Phone Stand. This flexible and adjustable cell phone stand will let you take your phone anywhere, giving you a way to secure your phone no matter where you may be. This magnetic stand will clip onto the back of your phone without requiring adhesive or additional hardware. You can then unwind the legs of the stand to create any shape you'd like, allowing you to tie it around the headrest in your car, craft a stand to sit on top of a table, or twist around a tripod. The choice is yours. These stands are available in several colors, including red, black, and blue, among others. They are highly rated on Amazon and are one of the best new ways to stand up your phone. You can even wrap them around your finger and use them like a pop socket. Shower power. Do you have a Bluetooth speaker in your shower at home? Maybe you use it to listen to music, tune into your favorite podcast, or even accept phone calls. However, most of these speakers can be super annoying when you try to turn them on and realize that the battery has run flat. With shower power, you'll never need to charge your shower speaker again. This incredible little device is super easy to use and will connect directly to your shower head and use an internal impeller to charge a battery and power your device without the need of power cables or a charger. This saves you money on your power bill and ensures that your speaker is always ready to use the moment you step into the shower. You can connect all of your favorite devices to the speaker with ease. As soon as you're done showering, you can turn the speaker off and it'll be ready to go the next time you shower. This would be the perfect addition to any home to help save a little bit on your monthly power bill. Jobon Lighter. Let's be real, after watching Star Wars, all of us likely wanted a lightsaber. Well, this is the next best thing. This lighter can fit into your pocket, but it will emit a flame that is large enough to resemble a small lightsaber. This is perfect for starting up your grill, lighting a fire in the woods, heating up pipes to weld them, or cut through a steel door. Well, maybe not the last one, but this is truly an amazing lighter. This butane lighter can be filled with any standard canister of butane, and will start right up with the push of a button. There are no replaceable parts to worry with, so as long as you keep the lighter filled with butane, you'll be ready to light a fire no matter where you are. The flame will extend several inches past the end of the lighter, allowing you to keep your hands far away from the open flame and not get burned. Tap Strap 2. Having a device with gesture controls is the next big leap in modern technology. Many new Android phones have built-in gesture controls, and there are countless products that can bring gesture functionality to your favorite smart device. The Tap Strap 2 would be an excellent option for this. With the Tap Strap 2, you can wirelessly emulate a keyboard, mouse, or air gestures across various devices. This device can be linked with almost any device you can imagine, ranging from simple gadgets like your smartphone to more complicated things to control such as a projector or a computer. With full keyboard support, you can type any character in any language with ease. You can even swap between your left and right hand. The device will intelligently recognize the difference and make changes on the fly. With the Tap Mapper tool, you can quickly and easily customize your gestures or simulated keystrokes, making this perfect for any occasion. BLUETTI EP500. In a world that is filled with unpredictable power grids, having a portable generator is more important than ever. Whether you live in an area that is plagued by natural disasters or just want to be extra safe during the cold winter months, a generator is a great idea. This generator is fully electric and has a battery capacity of 5,100 watt-hours. This lets you power your entire home for several hours with app integration so you can closely follow your battery life. You can run 120-volt or 240-volt electronics from this generator, and a special attachment will allow you to power your entire home. The battery is good for a minimum of 6,000 cycles, so you can rest assured that it will last a lifetime. Most lithium batteries are also rated for a lifespan of around 10 years, so this may be the only generator you need to buy for the next decade. The EP500 is available now on Kickstarter. Care Go. Whether you feel as though your health or safety is at risk, or you want your loved ones to have a bit of extra support in the event of an emergency, the Care Go is an amazing device that will allow you to instantly call for help no matter where you may be. This would be the perfect device to take hiking or fishing, as it will send your GPS location data no matter where you are in the world. You can program it to contact your nearest friend or relative, making it perfect for elderly people who may be prone to falling. Milo. Milo works very similar to a walkie-talkie. You can pair multiple Milo devices together and chat between your family and your friends with ease. They are completely wireless and will work many miles away. If you're swimming in the lake and need to speak with someone on the shore, you can quickly and easily contact them with the Milo. If you're hiking and need to speak to someone back at your campsite, Milo can help with that too. Best of all, these devices are completely waterproof, so you can take them wherever you go. In the event of an emergency, Milo could be a life-saving tool that you have clipped onto your shirt, jacket, pants, or backpack.